In this question, we are given with a circular steel bar of various cross sections and is subjected to a pull of 800 kN as shown in figure. We have to determine the extension of the bar if modulus of elasticity of the bar is 204 gigapascal. This is a question of bars of varying cross section areas in which a load of 800 kN is applied to the bar and it has different cross section areas. You can see there are 5 cross section areas, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Different cross section areas are there and different lengths are given, and we have to find out the total extension in this bar. So let us solve this problem. In this numerical, we are given with a steel bar of varying cross section area. So it is a steel bar of varying cross section area. Cross section area is varying everywhere. You can see here it is 80 mm here, 60 mm, 100, then 60 and then 80, right? And all the dimensions are in mm, we have written here. And the force applied on this steel bar is 800 kilonewton. 800 kilonewton, and our aim is to find out the change in dimensions, delta L. What is the extension of the bar, delta L, and the modulus of elasticity of this material, steel, is given 204 gigapascal. So this is our question. We can apply our direct formula of simple stresses that the extension of the bar is given by PL upon AE. As usual, we have done this type of numerical, this type of questions in theory, that whenever a given bar has varying cross section area, then we can apply directly for each section. For each section, this extension can be applied, right? So suppose we have 1, 2, this is the different sections are there, like suppose 3. Now you can see here that this 60 mm and 60 mm dia and 300 mm length, and this is also 60 mm dia and 300 mm length. So this and this section of this complete bar is similar. So if this is similar, the length, the change in length in this bar will be similar. So we can write this as a 2 again, 2 and 2, so 2 times 2. And this section 80 mm dia, 400 mm length, so one section is again repeated and the change in length will be again same, so we have written 1. So we will multiply with 2 because one section is has 2 sections, and 2 the name we have 2 section is again it is coming 2 times, right? And this is middle section 3. So change in dimensions will be equal to delta L total will be equal to delta L1, 2 times delta L1 plus 2 times delta L2, because second section is double of the two sections are given, and plus delta L3. So this will be the change in dimensions. Apply the formula for each section. So you will get delta L as PL upon AE. P, load is acting same in each section, 800 kilonewton. So P, you can write 2 PL. L may be different. This is L is L1, length is different, L upon area. Area is also different, A1 upon E. E is same for it is steel, E, plus 2 times P is same for each section, L is different, 300 upon area, A2 is different, and E it is 2 times, plus third section, that is P, load is same, L3 is different, area is different, and E is same, steel, right? So this is the total length in the bar, total change in length of the bar, right? So total delta L can be obtained as 2 times P. P is 800 kilonewton, right? So we can write 800 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, so it will become Newton, multiplied by L. L is 400. If we write 400, we will get the answer in mm, and if we write in meter, then we will get the answer in meter. So because dimensions change in length is very small, we can use mm so that the final answer will come in millimeter, right? So we can write mm also. So length can be written in millimeter. So 400 directly we are writing here. 400 upon area. Now area is pi by 4 d square. So pi by 4 d square 80. 80. Now it can be made in meter. So 80 will be 0.08. 0.08 meter. So we have used this in meter and this in mm. So final answer will be in mm. So this is in meter. And E is also used in meter. 205 gigapascal. So 204 gigapascal. So 204 multiplied 10 power 9. So this all the dimensions are in meter or pascal or Newton, and this only length is in millimeter, so answer will come in millimeter. So we have directly used mm here, length in millimeter, plus 2 times load 800 multiply L2, L2 is 300, 300 divided by area, area is pi by 4 d square is again 0.06, 0.06 square multiplied by 204 multiplied 10 to the power 9 plus change in length of third section, this bigger section. So this is P multiplied 1000 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by length in mm 500 divided by pi by 4 d square, d is dia 100, 100 you can write 0.1 square multiplied by modulus of elasticity 204. Gigapascal can be converted to pascal 10 power 9. So the final answer will come in millimeter. Solve it, try it, take your time, solve it, use calculator and find out the final result. Use solve it and you will get the answer as I am writing the answer final, that will be 1.7 mm. So this is the final deformation of the bar of this varying cross section area.